Today, current emission standards are as stringent as they've ever been. Detroit meets these standards head-on with our BlueTec emissions technology. BlueTec enables us to improve engine performance and fuel economy while maintaining durability and reliability. BlueTec emissions technology is a complete emission system which utilizes an EGR engine, a diesel oxidation catalyst, diesel particulate filter, DEF tank, DEF injection system, and a selective catalytic reduction or SCR catalyst. All of these components must work together to meet current emission standards. They must be packaged together on the truck to both meet the standards and allow the truck to do its job. The optimal packaging solution is dependent upon the specific truck application. BlueTec does offer a packaging advantage with its proprietary one-box emissions package. The one box not only offers the simplest packaging solution, it also improves fuel economy by lowering back pressure on the engine. How does BlueTec work? Detroit's BlueTec works by harnessing the power of chemical reactions to reduce NOx to nitrogen and water. Exhaust gases leave the engine with the pollutants NOx and particulate matter. The exhaust travels downstream into the aftertreatment device, where the particulate matter is trapped in the diesel particulate filter. The NOx continues to flow downstream where it's met by diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF. The DEF solution is then hydrolyzed into ammonia gas, which continues to mix with the exhaust. Once in the SCR catalyst, the ammonia gas and NOx react to form nitrogen and water, both of which are naturally present in the air we breathe. What does all of this mean to you, the driver? It means you have to keep DEF in your DEF tank. When the DEF level is a quarter full, Detroit recommends you fill up your DEF tank. The DEF tank is located next to your fuel tank on the driver's side of the vehicle. Depending on your driving and fueling cycle, tanks will range in size from 6 to 23 gallons. Since DEF consumption is equal to approximately 2% of diesel fuel used, you only need to fill your DEF tank every 2 to 3 fuel refills. DEF can be purchased at your local fueling station in small disposable containers or at pumps available for traditional bulk filling. Some fleets will choose to keep bulk quantities of DEF at their own location. However, if you choose to purchase your exhaust fluid, there are a few things you need to remember when filling the tank. Never put DEF in your diesel fuel tank. To avoid system malfunction, never put anything but DEF in your DEF tank. DEF is corrosive to aluminum over a long period of time. Make sure to wipe off any spills on your truck with water or a mild solvent. It's recommended that you do not refill used DEF containers. How do you know when you're running low on DEF? All Detroit-powered trucks with BlueTec are equipped with onboard diagnostics. The onboard diagnostics continuously monitor your DEF levels. You will notice the diesel fuel gauge has a DEF monitoring system. These solid green lights will indicate when your tank is full, half full, and has 1/4 of its capacity remaining. When the tank reaches 5 to 10% remaining, the green light will turn to yellow and an additional low DEF warning light will illuminate. If you continue to run your vehicle to 5% DEF remaining, the yellow light will turn to red, and the DEF light will blink yellow, and the malfunction indicator lamp will illuminate. When this happens, the vehicle will receive a 25% derate in power and is automatically limited to 55 miles per hour. Continuing to operate the vehicle under this condition until the tank is empty will induce additional government-mandated derates. When the DEF level hits a quarter full, Detroit recommends you fill up your DEF tank. Remember, DEF is just as important to running your vehicles as diesel fuel, so monitor your gauges and keep your tanks full. What will happen if my DEF freezes in my DEF tank? DEF freezes at 12 degrees Fahrenheit or -11 Celsius. If you're parked for an extended amount of time with temperatures at or below these levels, your DEF will freeze. The system is designed to accommodate this situation. Your engine will start and operate as normal while the system thaws your DEF. What happens if DEF is put in my diesel fuel tank? It will damage your injection system. If DEF accidentally does get in your fuel tank, there are 2 steps you should take. 1. Do not start your engine. And 2. Call your local Detroit authorized service location. How will BlueTec affect the time, miles between regenerations? BlueTec allows greater distances between regens and operates at much lower temperatures than EPA 07 compliant technologies. You may never again experience a HEST, high exhaust system temperature lamp, nor a regen request lamp due to the improved BlueTec technology. What if DEF gets on my skin? DEF is non-toxic. If DEF does get on your skin, wash your skin with mild soap and water. What is the white crystal substance on my tank? That white substance is dehydrated diesel exhaust fluid. Wash it off with water or mild solvent. How long will DEF last if left in a container? DEF has a minimum 1-year shelf life. Where can I find a location to fill my DEF tank? DEF locations are located throughout North America. For more information and detailed locations, visit discoverdef.com. For more information about Detroit's BlueTec-equipped engines, please visit demanddetroit.com or your local authorized Detroit location.